Mama wakwaba midi ede Addo searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel mia notification bell no so for more news. Ora miracles aboaje na ora sami jemfi ehia ewo TV so anomo e communicate efa ensema ekoso ewo Ghana hanom as usual yenim NPP na NDC ni omo ya na enkwotena radio so TV so ekomo adwugu ha na abra Ura Miracles and Ura Samijemfi, our communications officer, Dema NDC Amayoku no Ishiaro. Eya Samijemfi at the assembly to address His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo Beye Presidency on see school bakumpo. On far so embo famous see school dive His Excellency Yebi. Nano and Miracles Abuaje Chrese. Samijemfi say propaganda and a wode na on padusia, omudo padusia pa. Ti Miracles school sa His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo Beye waba besigu na ebusuafo yentie ensema ekoso na after ensema no Ghana fu bin so edo reply by omo etrese de Samijemfi ka no onim de oka because sehwefo omo appreciate the His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo aye papa na ebusuafo yentie ensema no na yemeti ensema Ghana fu so e kan after conversation no.
Can you point to me one single secondary school that your government has been able to build and complete in the last 6 years with over 300 billion debts that you have accumulated in the last 6 years? One secondary school. There is none to show for.
Go to Laribanga. There's an Islamic school completely built. First school for the people of Laribanga. When you go to Nalirugu, there's a freshly built secondary school for them. Abomosu SHS. Have you seen that school? The Abomosu SHS alone is 30 E-blocks put together. What they call E-block is nothing but a classroom block. It is not a secondary school. It is just one of the infrastructure that we have in a lot of the secondary schools. A lot of the E-blocks that they speak of, we have had to come and add even some of the auxiliary facilities to them to make them operational. Again, Samijemfi has the fixation of constantly putting out lies and falsehood and wants everybody to let me tell you, I have just given you a list of secondary schools that have been built by this government from scratch to correct that falsehood and consistent palpable lie. For some strange reason, he's been saying this lie for 5 years. And for some reason, my party and my government has also refused to call him out. It is a lie, it is false. All the communities I have mentioned to you, when you go to those communities, you see the school.
Ebusuafo ye na yehu ensema ekos na Ghana fu bi so ekyerese the Samijemfi Canada propaganda na mbome no Ghana for omo appreciate the His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ababe papa the ebusuafo enti ensema Ghana fu bi de etudwa we ampoma kwesi justice na okyerese Samijemfi come to the only bauxite town in Ghana Awaso. You will see one of the best and very nice SHS in Ghana. Even their assembly hall is bigger than the whole land that John Mahama used to build Community Day SHS at Charano. Massa, check your fact wall before you go there. With the Cheif people, we salute President Nana Danko Akufo-Addo. It's in some way, and our Abrantia officer she. Ede abetuja wa catch Samijemfi say anytime obe communicate biano on perfect and son of TV so akasa.
There is no money. Akufo-Addo has mismanaged everything. Say the only cried him say Mahama to me bi. Mahama fie ni na aduane ni ho. But one day o to me che $1.2 million. Yes cedis. Now we end this now bole bamboya. This is the time you have to start thinking. Unjaisa tribal foolery ne ya moye no. Oh, where do you feel me raging inti me raging inti? Jai Jimmy no raging na on bonomba yen fani muabain. Kodo Mahama kuromun ne koshe ho. Oh nya e kubole bamboy for koche. I have been there, so I know the situation in Bole. I have been there, so I know the situation in Bole. And koda enya proper school infrastructure enkom. You know how many classroom blocks $1.2 million can build? Ghana for you guys have to be careful. Politics now moya no. Media me asantini MPP. Media me igbeni me not na end. Mama yen jai say Jimmy na Ghana will never develop. Ube brochire ha. Wuko other countries are. Wuko other countries are. It is the rich people that are helping the government to build. Ube no abaya private say. No abaya say. No abaya say. Mahama sat in Ghana with his NDC clueless government telling everybody there is no money in Ghana. There are people in Bole who need health care. People in Bole who need good water. People in Bole who need good school infrastructures. Mahama has 1.2 million. He will not invest it in education. And it's not the first time he has said that. When we rolled out free education, no over 2 billion one find free education. Mahama nekaye. And nunti onya $1.2 million no. Osi obe chama delegate monko twaba mama keke. Oda su disa party neki se ufri bole. Ufri bole bamboy, ufri hontino. Oda su to say that's your party. Jina one Jimmy. Jina one Jimmy. All the other ones are going to wise up and move. Now what to ho? What you hear ni mwa? Now what da su to hear ni mu? Sika ni Ghana. Ghana is this. Sika outside. Yeni osa kwa me bego. Sika say. Now what to me akoche? What me say me krom. Chale. No. Do you know what $1.2 million this time and then Sika can do for even a whole region? Na obi di akoche. Utie. Obi e di akoche. Na onipa na sen adane no ho abase MPP fo so chebo omo che mo ne ayigari on Jimmy no wankasa fo adwene toto ho the American fo adwene toto ho fo adwene mame let us think obi akoche $1.2 million one day pay ya chine na ya ka ho asem no ya fa bibi nkofam na ya soma ya mi odwanfunu Jimmy Oko Jimmy wakumewu. No ma se nkrofo MPP fo ntade. Yes jigere. MPP fo na echegere. MPP fo echegere said dey. Ye che eden. Emo. Just to kill your story. Oh boy. The whole world must know that a former president who is retired, because as we stand you don't work. Mahama, as we stand, apart from the money we give you for your salary as a former president, you don't work. But you are able. Uko UK po. Uko UK. One casa private triple. This country had to pay over $300,000 just to have you go there. You shared $1.2 million in a day. Ya chill into be Daniel home and then MPP people are sharing Gary. MPP people like that. There's now MPP for young crass for sa. Uti. MPP for young chess and crass. Niamano. Yen chess.